Guide to converting 401k to Gold IRA with $200,000. Transforming a 401k into a Gold IRA with $200,000 offers stability amidst market uncertainties. Unlike traditional IRAs, Gold IRAs diversify into tangible assets like gold and other precious metals, guarding against economic instability and currency devaluation. Step-by-step guide to converting 401k to Gold IRA. 1. Evaluate eligibility and consult a financial advisor. Check 401k rollover options and seek advice on transferring funds compliantly. 2. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a trusted Gold IRA custodian for managing and storing your precious metals investments. 3. Open a self-directed IRA account. Setup aligns with IRS guidelines to maintain tax advantages. 4. Initiate the rollover process. Transfer $200,000 from 401k to Gold IRA to avoid penalties. 5. Purchase approved gold products. Buy IRS-approved gold items with custodian assistance, ensuring compliance and risk mitigation. Advantages. 1. Inflation hedge. Gold stability protects long-term purchasing power. 2. Diversification. Reduces exposure to stock market volatility. 3. Tax benefits. Enjoy tax-deferred growth on contributions and earnings. Considerations. 1. Market volatility. Gold prices can fluctuate based on global events. 2. Storage and insurance costs. Factor in fees for secure storage and insurance. 3. Liquidity constraints. Selling gold may be less immediate than other assets. Converting to a Gold IRA demands planning and expert guidance, ensuring your retirement portfolio benefits from gold's enduring value. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.